chalk line back that corresponds with my bubble level.
Alrighty. I'm at the range today, and I've got my Black Rain Ordnance AR15, and today I'm going to be trying my new Magpul 40 rounder. It's got 40 rounds of Federal M193 in it. I bought this mag a couple months ago. I did a video on it. It's you just go back a few videos, you'll find it. It's kind of a dark video, like the lighting wasn't very good. But I bought this several months ago and just kept forgetting to bring it down to function test it. So today we get to function test it and see how it does. Alright, took one up in there. We'll be aiming at a center mass target at about 15 yards, 12 yards, give or take somewhere in there. Alright, let's see how this puppy does. Alright, that was 40 rounds. That did function pretty good. Not a single hang up. Cycled every one of them. Ooh, the handguard on that's hot. But that's pretty impressive. So I could say with just that outing that these 40 rounders are worth the money, because it cycled every one of those. Now, albeit I wasn't trying to, like, you know, rapid fire, but I was taking my time aiming at the target, just so that way I knew for sure that the magazine would function, because I was afraid if I rapid fired it would try to take too many bullets up at once because of how many there were. So it worked pretty well. Alright, time to shoot something else.